The tools I'm about to show you are available from just about every major public library in the United States. So step number one, get yourself a library card. Library card is free. The only thing that it requires is that you're a resident of the state where the library is. So, for example, you folks in Massachusetts can go to the Boston Public Library. The website is bpl.org. You can click Services and then e-cards, and it will tell you all about how to apply for an e-card online. You folks in New York could try the New York Public Library. You click Get a Library Card and then Online Card Application. For people in other states, the process is similar. You just need to figure out where the closest major public library is. If you need help with that, I'll be glad to help you if you email me.